Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pankaj, and today in this particular video we will focus on Pandas optimization. So guys, Pandas optimization is really a crucial task in data scientist or data analysis job. Suppose if you are working with large data, so Pandas optimization is really important because if you perform any of the operation on it, it will take a lot of time to perform any of the operations. So it's really very important to optimize your data frame. So guys, in this video I'm gonna explain some of the techniques that data analysts or data scientists really do in their day-to-day life. So guys, without wasting time, let's go to my Jupyter notebook and check out the methods. Okay, so before starting a video, I request you all to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can have a updated news of my channel that what I am uploading. So I'm gonna explain this part in at the end of the video because to understand this part you need to understand the techniques at first. Okay, so first of all, what I have done, I have imported the pandas library and then I'm taking this df variable to store my data in it, and I'm using csv function as my file is of csv type. So I'm using the csv function, and I'm not gonna fetch all the data from the CSV. I'm just taking 500 rows from this file. So now if I will check the shape, then it'll show we have 500 rows. And let me show you how is my data. So this is my data, it's a bank data. And now let me show you a small info of the data. Okay, so from this we can understand that we have 500 entries in my data frame and we have 15 columns in it. Various types of, and we have various types of data frame here: integer, object, float, and okay, we have three data types. We have float 64 in 4 columns, int 64 in 6 columns, and we have 5 columns of object type. And the memory usage it took is 58.7. So guys, first of all, the first technique to reduce or to optimize the pandas data frame is, first of all, you need to understand the data to perform this optimization. So first of all, let's see. Okay, so we have gender here. So gender is of category type actually, and by default the pandas has put it in the object type, gender object type. So if we can convert it into a category, so maybe there is a less usage of memory. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna convert this gender column to as type category. Okay, now so the column is converted now, and let me show you the info again. Okay, so you can check now. We have reduced the memory usage from 58.7 to 55.4. Okay, so we have reduced a little bit. Now what we can do, if you will check the data, so you can check. Okay, so we have date also in the data frame, and let me check what is the data type of the date. So here the data type is object. So guys, you can change the data type to date, as this is actually a date. So to do show, I'm not gonna use this as type function. I will use pd.datetime. Let me show you how you can do this. I'm gonna take this last login first and override this column, and the function I'm using here is pd.to_datetime to change it to date. Okay, so now the data type of this last login column is changed. Let me check info again. Okay, so we can check there's no change in the data frame. Next, what I'm gonna do, we have this column boolean excited in which we have value true and false. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna convert this column into boolean. So let me show you how you can do this. I'm just overwriting the column and converted it into bool. Okay, so now I have converted this data type of boolean excited, that is object, to boolean. Let me show you the info now. Okay, so now it's changed and we have reduced our memory usage from object, which is 55.4 to 52. So guys, these are the scenarios in which you can understand the data, and you can manipulate it or change the data type to reduce the memory usage and perform the operations in very less time, very efficiently. Okay, so as you know these all techniques, I'm gonna explain this part. So guys, this is the data frame which we are using, and I've shown you that how actually at the back end Panda store the data frame. So it's stored according to the data type. So as we know, object data type take more space as compared to the category. So if I haven't changed it to the category, this column will be in object type. So because of that, it takes a lot of more memory, which is not efficient way. That's why what we do, we try to change the data type so that we can efficiently use the data frame. So guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon, and so that you can have the updated videos notifications. And that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.